Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to do a critique, which we're going to use quite a lot during the art classes online. So I'm going to use the comprehensive art. So sorry, guys, I'm going to show your pieces, but this is how I'll do it. So you'll have an assignment posted called critique of whatever it's going to be. So theirs happens to be sketchbook assignments. And they're all going to be the same way. They're all going to say, choose two of the sketches in the document listed by number, post the number you are commenting on, and then critique the sketches in two complete sentences. The first sentence should be about what you thought the artist did well. The second sentence should be about what you thought they need to improve on. And then here's the key. I want to make sure you use terms from this document. So I'm going to open that for you right here. So I want you, basically, these are like things to do with principles of art and things like that. So I want you to make comments on colors or values. So this kind of asks some questions, this little paragraph. This paragraph gives you ideas of words you might use. Does it have good, does the color look natural? Does it look fake? That's what artificial means. Are the colors clear? Are they muddied? Are they rich colors or are they pale? But maybe they're supposed to be pale. I mean, maybe pale makes sense. I want you to talk about composition, how it's arranged, how it's balanced on the page. That would be an option. Does it have good negative space and positive space? Is it symmetrical? Is it not symmetrical? And sometimes those are good things, sometimes they're bad things. It just depends on what you look like, but or what you're looking for. But I want to make sure these are the kind of words you use. You can talk about texture. Does it have good texture? Does it have good mood? Does it make you feel calm? How does it make you feel? Things like that. Does it have form and shape? Does it look 2D and flat? Maybe it's supposed to. Maybe it's supposed to look 3D. Maybe it's supposed to look realistic. Maybe it has soft edges or hard edges. But I want you to use these kind of terms to write your sentences, not just, I think this looks good. Okay, that's not a critique. That's just a flat out your opinion. And granted, this is your opinion, but you have to have some kind of basis for it. Okay, so this is the critique terms I want you to use with your two sentences. Sorry, I just got a message. Then the other document will be the pictures you're supposed to critique. So here's this document with all the pictures in it. And notice I'll have a number underneath each one. So you just pick one. So we'll pick um, number one, the frog. Okay. And we'll go back here and um, what you'll do is, this looks a little different for me. So you will then, hopefully you can figure this out. Underneath, you'll be able to type in your answer. It'll say answer or have that little send looking paper airplane thing. Click on that, type in your question. So I'm just going to do this in an email, but that's not how I want you to do it, obviously. Um, I want you to just type in your question box. Let's see if I can do this. I don't want to confuse you guys. So let's go back to, so it'll look something like this. So share with your class. So you'll type number one, and this is your first question. And you'll type on sketch one. And you could do something like this. I see a lot of texture in the lines you drew to create a frog. I think, so this is actually my negative comment first, but it doesn't matter as long as one is, I think texture on a smooth, slimy frog might take away from the overall effect. And then my other comment's going to be on composition. The composition of the frog drawing is very nice. having the frog large and in the foreground makes it the focal point of the picture. Okay, I know that's big words and it's art words, and that's going to be kind of hard for you, but you can do it. And then you just press send and you're done. Okay, and I'll go through and I'll be able to tell that you've done it. So 2 comments, 1 sentence each, at least. Obviously, I put 2 sentences on each one. That's fine. Just don't write a big old long page. Okay, but at least 1 sentence on something you thought they did well, 1 sentence on something you think they need to improve on, and use those art terms to do it. Okay? That doesn't make sense. Please just email or text me and I will help you out. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.